Okay, that's a way to wake up a little bit. I don't even remember what we were doing last time. Let's see if we can find it. Um, so I think it's nice to start with looking at whether we have any un unpushed changes, let's say. Mm, let's see. No, but we have a work in progress thank you note. Okay, so that makes sense. Let's see. Uh, I think what is left is making that more app-like and less generic. So right now, when you open the application, you get a server error, which makes sense because server isn't running. Yes. And now let's refresh. Yes, perfect. So we get a little thank you note. And let's remove debug layout from here. Or perhaps I have already removed it and I have not rebuilt the app since. Yeah, okay. Well, let's restart. Okay, let's see. Now it's running. Always takes a while first launch. Okay. Okay, so first I want to replace the squares with images of bones. Um, and I also wanted to see what kinds of tags are we looking for. Tags sparkle. Interesting. Magic. Interesting. Uh, is it now hidden under documentation? Under the spoiler somewhere? Ah, here. So this is very nice to be able to do this in just simple HTML. But what's not very nice is that you cannot control F there. Sparkle image. Okay, let's see. What is a sparkle? I don't. Can we just download it and see what it is? Oh, you can have an image? Sparkle. This works best using Sparkle image, but you can use any image or shape you prefer. How do shapes defined? Each preset to look is designed to look for one or more tags. Please check their documentation. Okay, but what are the tags? Okay, so somewhere it should look at tags, right? Hmm. Hmm. One particle. Okay. What if we go to particles tag? The tag for this particle. Indeed. Rain, magic, magic, magic. Okay, so here I guess I want to know. Huh, that's not really it. Hmm. Can we search for the tag? Particle dot tag. Okay, so here we're looking for the symbol. What happens with the symbol then? Hmm. Okay, so context resolve symbol. What is context? Oh, interesting. So it's graphics context. And it has a resolve symbol function. Gets the identify child view as a resolved symbol. Oh, if the view exists. Yeah, we don't have really a lot of time to look for this. So I'm curious, chat GPT image generation license. Well, you know what? Free non-free commercial icons. Okay. Do we have something in SF symbols? I want to replace everything with an image instead of those squares. Yeah. Well, not this kind of bone. I think this kind of bone. Okay. That's all. It's just this website is not really working very well. Okay. Free icons. Okay, so we just need a bunch of different bones. Hmm, it's all breaking. Oh, there are multiple pages. Ooh, this is nice. So this, this looks. Yeah, I think this is good. Okay, one. I think 32 we had images. 3, 64. 64 thickness. Ah, funny, you can do this. Maybe that's nice. That looks better to me. Okay, 64 expert. 64 expert. 64 expert. Um, okay, I think that is enough. um, let's see. SVG, everything. Why all of these are SVGs? Okay. So everywhere I clicked expert, I should have clicked. Okay, so this is 32 pixels. Okay. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. And then let's resize it. Um, resize. No. Size? Adjust size. 64. Okay. Save. Adjust size. 64. Okay. Save. Save. Adjust size. 64. Okay. Save. Okay, and then we just take all of this through this. Can we rename everything? No. Okay. Do this one. Can I just do this? Let's try again. No, we couldn't. Okay, okay, so now we put all of this into Xcode. In the assets of the app, we can just drag these guys here. Um, okay, and now what we can do in the thank you note is use images instead of whatever we have. So right now I think we are simply doing rectangles. Okay. And instead of this, we are going to be using our code. So we will just remove a rectangle for now, and we will add an image called confetti bone 1. And we need to tag everything with a square. Ooh, beautiful. And I think we need to fill it with white. Oh, we need to make it resizable, of course. And scaled to fit. Fill? No. And maybe we need to give it a frame. little bit larger. Oh, it is 32 by 32. I don't know why then it is resizable. Oh, it is too large because it's 64. I made it 64. Okay, so so what we're gonna do is we're gonna delete this. Uh delete with a minus, I guess. Okay, so we're gonna okay, so we're gonna go here, remove, customize, convert image here. I would like it to have specific settings, but okay. Edit, adjust, size 32. Edit, no tools, adjust size 32. Okay. Adjust. Hmm. Let's try it like this. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's try. Uh-huh. So we don't need this, we don't need this, we don't need this. Okay, however, we don't get random colors. I don't know why. Before I was getting random colors. I am wondering what I did. Um, blend mode I need to set. Blend mode color. Hmm. Maybe because it's just black. Let's try 5. Yeah, so this one has all of them. Name bundle. Let's just make this. So 6, 4. How does this look like? Huh? Is the same? Oh, okay. Sorry, I don't think I have to. Oh, it's only one of them. How do I do multiple things? Huh. Okay, let's just do something a bit strange. So I want to do this 7 times, right? Something like square and then number is what I want to do. And then the tags would be, oh man, square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I need to make file private function. Oh, actually, I would need to make file private extension for collection, where you would have public static function repeating exactly. No. So it would return. Okay, so this is where AI is just not great. This is absolutely not what I wanted. So we would take count, that is an integer, and a closure that returns self element. And it returns self like this, and we would need to initialize ourself with init. Is there capacity? What kind of initializers I have? Um, so I need one type of self, huh? Unnamed parameters. Oh, of course. And we would take index at int. Function types cannot have labels. Okay, so now there are no issues, so we want to make a collection. Oh, there is already a need by. Huh? Huh? Okay, maybe I'm wrong. So I would need to say string array init by type string has no member init by. I just say by. I get so confused with the suggestions. This is what I want, right? So this part, the calling part, works. I should always do things step by step. um, let's start with arrays then. Init from sequence. How can I? Repeating count. Is it possible in Swift? Swift create an array reserving capacity. Hmm. Okay, but then we should say init, alright, capacity is int, and it returns self. Okay, and then for index in 0 count, uh, a result at index equal create element at index. Okay. And then we return that. Return result. Oh my God. That was a bit not easy. Um, let's run this and see what we have made. Uh, okay, an issue. We made a small issue. Uh, index out of range. Oh, okay. We should just append, push, add, append. Okay, I guess that should work. Yeah, okay. I thought those like squares and stuff meant something. Square 0. Where is what did I print? Where is my printing? I wanted to print this. Square 0. Okay. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I'm gonna add 1 here. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, I guess. There's a lot of black. That is not great. Um, just make it look not great. Um, so we need to change black for white. That is why it's breaking, because it thinks black shouldn't exist. So on this one, we need to add just white gradient. What is this? No, fill of white. Okay, basically like this. Okay, I'm gonna save that as bone 4 as downloads. Bone 4. Okay, and then this one I will do the same, and the way I will do it is that I can copy style here, copy style, and then paste style. Okay, so then I can export it again as a PNG. Yeah, so now we have this, and we're gonna do the same with the other ones. Bone 1, we are going to paste style and export PNG bone 1, paste style, export PNG bone 2. Yes. So we did replace this for uh, okay, first 4 we have replaced. So now then we do this. this, this, and this. Okay. So if once this rebuilds, we should have better bonfettis. Should have named it bonfetti, of course. Hey, AKS TG Ust. Welcome to the stream. Okay, what does it look like? Oh, this is way better. And the last part is to, well, not the last part probably, because there are quite some things still. Well, let's remove this rectangle. Well, can we actually just create images here? I don't know. Can we say image resource? Name this bundle. Is it nullable? Image resource init bundle main. And this is square dash index +1, and then we make an image out of this, right? So that's how we do it. And then we can put images here, I guess. Private var images is array of image. So this is what we are making. And then we are going to say that self images is something. Oh, this also has to be state. Because if I make it like this, append confetti tags. Oh. Confetti bow something. Self images append confetti tags map. Map image resource image named this. It's called named. Oh, it's just image. Okay, it's just image init with this name like this. Um, Yeah, array of images cannot convert value of type image to expected at the name. Pop, 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 cannot convert value images. Huh. So first of all, this should work. So we make an image from its name. And we just assign it here. How is this building? That should not build, but it is building. Huh. Okay, let's see if it runs. No, it does not run. Cannot find symbol confetti bone because I have not put images here. And I have not tagged it. Like this. Um, okay, I see already where this is going. We're just not gonna do any of this. Um, so we're just gonna say confetti bone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Okay. Beautiful. And the last part is to say that the colors are something different. Maybe something like this, just to test. Cannot assign type color to vertex system. Okay. Color mode. Okay. Interesting. So that takes longer than I expected. Colored over time. Oh, you should say random, I think. Random colors. The system should select one random array and gives it to each particle. Okay, no, so cannot do that. Hmm. Okay, give me a second. How do we do colors? So this is some kind of struct that is used here. Um, so maybe color, uh, like this? No. Um, converts this vortex to SwiftUI color. But can we go the other way around? Hmm, that is not great because um public static. Huh, interesting. So in order to read the colors, um I need to extend vortex color, no type, vortex system color with init from SwiftUI color. So basically we are doing this. All right. Oh man. So then let blue is 0. Red, green, blue. Blue opacity is the same. So now it should work, but now we need to read this from here. Um, and I forgot completely how to get that from Swift UI. Swift UI color red, green, blue components. Oh no. Oh no. If has prefix, else nil. That's amazing. That is amazing. So that I get, but this is so just make it from self. Okay, so I'll just make UI color from Swift UI color. Okay, and then I do this. I just do this, get red into red and green and blue and opacity. Cannot convert because it needs to be var. So we can change it like this. Oh, it's double. Okay. So all of them should be float 0. Cannot unsafe float to expect unsafe mutable CG float. Oh, oh man, put it. Cannot convert unsafe mutable float, CG float. Okay. Alright, and I cannot make it red. Okay. Crazy. This is crazy. Okay. That can fail? Or this can fail? No, it can't fail. This can fail? Return if the value could be converted. Well, we're just gonna make precondition. Otherwise, say something like fail to convert my color to UI color RGBA. Failed to read RGBA components from UI color from UI color this. Okay, now this should work. Amazing, but now instead of black, we can use our colors. like rosy brown. Color cannot be. So now what it does is it goes here. Yeah, perfect. So it initializes vortex color through this. Huh? Oh, okay. Consecutives. Convenience. Okay. Okay, so now I should read random. Can I make an extension that I just can give colors? Vortex system uh color mode random from public static func random from um, colors. So it's just colors of SwiftUI and it returns color self, I guess. Return random of colors map. Color vortex system color init from this. Okay, man. So now here I can just give array of colors now. I don't know, like this. Okay, so now we should look at what colors are good. This is like a surprisingly involved process, huh? So where are the colors? What's it up? Okay, let's see. Okay, guess Mimi pink or Amaranth pink? Pink. Okay. That's actually quite nice. Look at this. That's pretty good. Okay. Okay. Always surprised how long certain things take. I thought this would be like 10-minute thing, but we have to fix this and remember that tags don't really mean anything in terms of it used to be a square and all the examples are implying something meaningful is based on that string, but nothing really is based meaningful is based on that string. It's just a way to find this view. So I don't really like the library particularly in a way of how the API is structured, but it works really well and was very easy to integrate. It's a little bit tricky to use, but we figured it out. So and I don't think these bones work very well. So I'm gonna remove two, and I'm gonna rename this 7, 6, and this will be this will be 6. What? Okay. Only one empty one, I think, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these are quite the same, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, so we have 5 bones, so we're gonna do 5 bones here and 5 bones here. uh, I think I maybe wanna delete the one that's okay, let's leave it like this. This looks good. And we have replaced this. Let's put it back for now and see how this works. Hey, Skane, welcome. Ah, works. It works pretty well, but I think transparent bones are a mistake. I think all of these are a mistake. Like this should not be there. It doesn't look good. Okay, this should be 1 then. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna leave only 4. Let's see again. It's very nice to have a reference image basically in the background. Oh yes, there is this one bone I don't really like. Wait, let me check quickly. Like this. Oh, it's just when it gets turned. So this is a bone, and when you look like at it here, it's not really great. But we have like a colored one, I see a little bit more involved colored one that's different size. So it doesn't really look like they're all the same. That's the main thing. And now it's in the colors of the app. And one thing I want to check is when I change my phone to be dark mode, how does it look then? Because I have ideas that it can potentially not look too great. Can I make a shortcut? This is the first time ever I would use a shortcut. A shortcut to dark. There's nothing I can do, literally. Uh, from below. Okay, so there is not an action I can make. Wow, that was fun. There's something like dark mode. Okay. Yeah, so doesn't work on a simulator apparently. Let's see. Okay. Uh, yeah, it's also good here. So that's nice. Yeah, pretty cool, huh? Okay. Last thing I want to do is I actually don't want to wait. Uh, I want to do it right away. Let's see. I think it looks better. So laggy. Okay, anyway, um, gonna archive this just so that I have it on my phone, and we will finally finish this week later, hopefully tomorrow, by making this button, making like closing it. We'll change the text, and when you close it, it will no longer appear for those items, for these items. Wait. So right now we will say, now we say thank you, these reviews are added, and unless you add a new review that is approved, it will not show. So we will remember what we have thanked you for. Okay. Uh, okay, thanks for watching. It was nice to have you join. So made me really happy. Hope to see you again, Skane. Okay, bye.